Welcome to Herbal Journey, where we embark on a voyage of exploration into the vast realm of herbal remedies and natural wellness. In this episode, we will delve into the rich tapestry of botanical treasures that Mother Nature has bestowed upon us, uncovering the profound healing properties of herbs and plants. Today, we set sail on a journey through the verdant landscapes of holistic health, focusing on two remarkable herbal teas, Holy Basil Leaves Tea and Guava Leaves Tea. Each of these teas offers a plethora of health benefits, drawing upon centuries-old wisdom and traditional medicinal practices. Before we embark on our journey, we request you to please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned for more herbal wisdom. First on our list is Holy Basil Leaves, Tulsi. In the realm of Ayurveda, Holy Basil, or Tulsi, is revered as a sacred plant with innumerable health benefits. Its leaves, when brewed into a tea, exude a distinct aroma and flavor, calming the mind and soothing the body. Tulsi tea is known for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body adapt to stress while bolstering immunity. Additionally, it aids in respiratory health, alleviating symptoms of coughs, colds, and asthma. Regular consumption of Holy Basil tea is believed to promote longevity and overall vitality. Who should take Holy Basil Leaves Tea? Individuals managing stress. Holy Basil tea is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and promote a sense of calmness and relaxation. Individuals experiencing stress or anxiety may find Holy Basil tea beneficial in managing their symptoms. People seeking immune support. Holy Basil is revered for its immune-boosting properties, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to support their immune system, especially during seasonal changes or when combating illness. Those with respiratory issues. Holy Basil possesses expectorant properties, which can help relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs, colds, and congestion. Individuals suffering from respiratory issues may find relief by incorporating Holy Basil tea into their daily routine. Individuals with digestive discomfort. Holy Basil tea has been traditionally used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It may help promote healthy digestion and soothe gastrointestinal discomfort. Antioxidant support. Holy basil leaves are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Consuming Holy Basil tea regularly can contribute to overall health and well-being by providing antioxidant support. Guava Leaves Tea. Guava Leaves Tea offers a myriad of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Here's how Guava Leaves Tea can help with digestive issues, regulate blood sugar levels, and alleviate joint pains. Improving digestive health. Guava leaves are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by regulating bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting overall gastrointestinal function. Improving insulin sensitivity. Guava leaves may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better utilize glucose from the bloodstream. This can lead to better blood sugar control and reduced risk of complications associated with diabetes. Pain relief. The analgesic properties of guava leaves may help alleviate joint pain by providing relief from discomfort and improving mobility. Anti-inflammatory effects. Guava leaves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the joints, alleviating pain and discomfort associated with conditions such as arthritis. How to prepare Holy Basil and Guava Leaves Tea. Fresh Holy Basil or Guava leaves, about 5 to 6 leaves per cup. Water. Optional, honey or lemon for flavor. Rinse the leaves under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Bring water to a boil in a saucepan or kettle. Place the cleaned leaves in a teapot or heat-resistant container. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, pour it over the leaves. Cover the teapot or container and let the leaves steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Steeping time can be adjusted according to personal preference for strength. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the leaves. Optionally, add honey or lemon to enhance the flavor. Pour the tea into a cup and enjoy it warm. Incorporating basil or guava leaves tea into your daily routine may offer relief from digestive issues, and respiratory issues help regulate blood sugar levels and alleviate joint pains. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using basil or guava leaves tea as a treatment, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Herbal Journey. If you found this information enlightening, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned for more herbal wisdom on your path to a healthier, happier you.